President Uhuru Kenyatta is leading the national and county governments in assessing the progress of devolution. The President is hosting the 5th National and County Government Coordinating Summit at the State Lodge in Sagana.
At about 10:30 a.m., the Kenya Air Force helicopter that was ferrying President Uhuru Kenyatta touched down at the Sagana State Lodge helipad. In a few minutes, President Uhuru Kenyatta disembarked from the aircraft and was welcomed by his Deputy President William Ruto. The two joined other leaders before proceeding to the State Lodge for the 5th National and County Government Coordinating Summit. The governors attending the two-day meeting hope to have the president's ear on a number of issues they hope the central government will assist them in so as to ensure a smooth running of the individual county governments.
This meeting is an opportunity to look into those challenges and seek solutions. And one of the biggest challenges as far as county governments are concerned is issues of resources. Providing adequate resources to fund county functions. And indeed, we are looking forward that this year will be a better year.
I think we have taken up the challenge. I am not saying that it has not been difficult, but we have taken up the challenge. And without a doubt, we have substantively implemented the devolution agenda that Kenyans asked us to do.
And although the president is here, particularly for the Governors' Summit, he cannot escape the attention of the people of Nyeri, who primarily thrive on agriculture as their main economic stay. Coffee and tea farmers are hoping that the president will speak about the betterment of prices. This batch of squatters from Uhuru village camped out at the State Lodge hoping that they would get the president's audience.
Tunakuja hapa State Lodge, tuone mkubwa wetu, rais wetu, ndio ajue hiyo mambo, ndio atusaidie yeye mwenyewe.
Ndio nimekuja State Lodge tuongee na watu wa media na wampelekee hiyo maneno.
Now, President Uhuru Kenyatta will be here at the Sagana State Lodge for the two-day Governors' Summit. That is today, Wednesday and Thursday, and also is expected to preside over a pass-out parade at the Kiganjo Police College. And also on Saturday, it is expected that he will attend the homecoming party for the Devolution Cabinet Secretary, that is Mwangi Kiunjuri. Carol Nderi, KT News, at the Sagana State Lodge, Nyeri County.